Today is August 15th, 2025. We are in the house of Ethan Ernest at the address 845 SUNY Chapel Road, Arlington, Maryland. The zip code is 21113. And this is the back slope of the main roof. And this is the front slope of the main roof. If you see right here. That's the street. If you see it, you can identify where we at right now. And today, because we saw on the report you saying you approve the damaged shingles right here, and we're gonna try to repair one shingle. If it's possible to do the repair, of course you're gonna do the repair on the main roof, but if it's not possible, we're not gonna do it. We're gonna ask for full replacement. The first thing we're gonna do is remove the seed of the shingle. This is the shingle that's damaged from the branch. You see the damage. And to remove the shingle, we gotta remove this one, and we gotta remove this shingle and also this one. Okay, I have a test square right here, and if you see the tabs on the shingle right now, if you see on this one, it's good. It's tight. It's tight. You see right now, this tabs is tight. And also, if we go on this shingle right here, right now, everything is tight. Tight. Everything, the seals, it's good on the shingle. That means the shingle, it's good. That's not damaged. Shingle, good. Okay? And the same thing on the end. That's the same thing we're gonna do. That's the test I'm doing it. Okay? You see? You see? Everything is tight. Right now, the first thing we're gonna do is remove the seal. Okay, I know. Quiero que te enfoques en la cámara así para que ellos miren. Okay, if you see, I'm trying my best to not damage the shingle. Oh my God, I think oh, yeah. Do you see? Trying my best. You see, got ripped. It's a strong one. Shingle is still new. It's a good shingle. Good. I got the first one. Yeah. Wow. See, got damaged. The seal is really strong. That's the thing happen with when we try to repair one shingle. Delamination, see, that's happened. The shingle got damaged. It's broke, ripped. Okay, got the second one. Gotta do this one. Same thing. You see, the seal is really strong. Got damage again. Strong shingle. The other one, see, that's happened with this shingle when we try to repair the shingle, because the seal, it's really strong And imagine if I do with all of those shingles right here. Got damaged. Not only that, the mud is transferring. See, the end. Got damage right here. Got damage on this side. Got damage on this side too. Aquí ponete en este lado, no arriba porque arriba no van a ver los tallos. Okay, on this side, if you see, on this one, see, got damaged. Now I'm gonna try to remove this shingle. I'm gonna start removing the nails on it. Okay, got the first one. Okay, let's see with the second. Where is the second? Got the second one. Good. Let's go with the third. The other one. Okay. Okay. Got this one. Yeah, we're gonna try to remove this one right now. We try to not damage the shingle. This is our old shingle. We got another one. Let me see. What is that? Over here. Okay. This is my old shingle. If you see, that's the existing shingle. To try to, I'm trying to repair one shingle. This is a damaged shingle, but you see what happened when I tried to repair one. This is the thing happened. This shingle, the one below the another one, got damaged, got ripped. Now we gotta fix this one. But to fix this one, if I'm trying to remove this shingle again now, that's the same thing happening. This one gonna get damaged, and then the shingle above got damaged. You see, got damaged right here on the edge and everything. Got damaged right here, got damaged. Now I'm gonna tarp this section right here right now. But that's not the only point. The other point is, if you see the lamination, you see right now how is my tools go under all of the tabs, and still I'm not nailing it. And you see how is the seam? It's already broke. You see right now. I'm gonna go with another shingle, and after that that's my new shingle. But anyway, I think I'm gonna remove this one because I don't want no leak on the house. Anyway, I gotta tarp it. If I'm trying to remove this one, that's the same thing gonna happen. You see, if you try to remove this right now, you see what happened. This shingle got damaged. Why? Because of the seal. When I'm trying to remove the seal, got damaged. And it's a many points why shingle can't be repaired. And if I'm going right now, anyway, I gotta replace it with this shingle. think the size of this shingle is different, but it's the same size and everything. I gotta okay. I think okay. And a sample, if we're going to nail it, have the new nails right here, and I got the hammer. Got the new ones. The way how we do it is this way. Okay, nail is on. Okay, get another one. And this one goes on this way. Got another one. Yeah. Okay. Got a 4. Manufacturer says with 5 nails that's good, but we're gonna with 4, but we're gonna use 5 on the shingle. The main point on this situation, the repair can be done without causing more damage on the other shingles. And if you see it right here, creates more damage on the other shingles. That shingles got ripped, and that shingles got ripped, got damaged, mat transfer. So we're seeing it under it right here, mat transfer. You see all of those shingles right here. It's impossible to do the repair on this roof. My suggestion as a professional is a full roof replacement. And also, if you're seeing it on this situation, if you see, we have many impacts on the 3 branches. Have one other one right here. Imagine if we repair this roof, we're gonna create more damage on this section. If you would repair this one, you're gonna create more damage on this section, and this one too. Have like a 23 impacts on the main roof. Imagine 23 repairs on the main roof is impossible. We're gonna damage more shingles. My suggestion, like as a professional, is a full roof replacement and the main roof. See, impacts from the 3. So impacts from the 3. This one too, it's impossible to do the repair. And see, the shingle got damaged. Thank you and have a great day.